Hi, it's Jan Beta, and this is something pretty special that came in the post today. Let's open this. I hope I don't damage it, because this is something that there are probably not very many of. Yeah, luckily found it on eBay a while back, a couple of days ago, actually. So, okay, there it is. There we go. Nicely packed. And what it is never used, or supposedly so, Commodore 64 PCB, which is new old stock thing that hasn't been used when the Commodore 64 was produced, and these boards were sold by the German electronics supplier Conrad Electronic when the Commodore 64 went out of production, basically. Or that is what the seller told me. And yeah, it sounds plausible. So this is pretty nice. I don't know yet what exactly to do with this, but I think my plan is to frame it or something, because it's quite, yeah, it's a nice thing to have. So let's take a closer look. Okay, let's carefully unwrap it. This is pretty well packaged, so that's a big plus. Thank you. And there were a couple of these, and I think some people that I know from Twitter bought some of these too, that I notified. So yeah, this seems yeah, it definitely has not been soldered on anything. This is an unused Commodore 64 board. How cool is that? Nice. So it has some scratches and stuff from storage, but yeah, this is the real deal. It's an unused production board for Commodore 64. And it's the second revision of these boards that was made at all. I think the 250407 is the second major revision of this Commodore 64 board. Whoa, nice. So yeah, here's the revision number, and I would say let's just go into some slow panning and some music to celebrate this. So yeah, that's about all I can tell you about this. It has some scratches and it has some marks on it, but it has definitely never been soldered or anything. This was not a board that was used. It has been lying in storage for some time probably, and it has some stuff that looks a bit like corrosion on the edges even. So it probably was stored in some basement or stuff, but it's definitely the real deal. It's an unused Commodore 64 board. So nice. So hope you found this entertaining, and yeah, if there are obviously there are these boards out there. So if you ever find a thing like this, treasure it, and yeah. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. If you want to support me and see more of stuff like this, you can check out my Patreon page. Give this a thumbs up, of course. Subscribe to this channel because there's going to be more retro computing stuff on here. I'd be very happy to see you again on here sometime. Write some comments, spread some love. See you next time. I'm Jan Peter. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, special thanks to my patrons that already give me some support. I think there are 6 or 7 of you at the moment, which is pretty nice. And yeah, so thank you guys. Special thanks to you. This is a form of appreciation that makes this feel much more legit, the things I do. So thanks. Bye.